Hi guys, today I decided to do a video and show how to check your kayak for leaks and cracks. So here is the equipment that I have. This is an action camera. Any action camera will do it. You must have to use the waterproof case, and most of these cameras today, they have a Bluetooth, so you can also use additional phone or iPad or something that you can connect the camera and you can watch it in real time. I would recommend to do a video because you can take a look closer and you can pause the video later on your computer or any other device. So you also need additional light. This one is from Harbor Freight Tools. It's just very cheap. Even if it gets wet, you don't have to worry. It's like $2 or maybe $3, who knows. And this one is additional flashlight if you need it. So here I'm going to get this one here on this side, and let me turn on the camera. Okay, this way. I want to make sure it's working. Okay, now it's recording. Let me get the flashlight on. There you go. Now here's what I'm going to do. Okay, just move it slowly. Now you can leave the camera inside recording, and you can keep the flashlight if you need it. So now from this point you can start pouring water, and hopefully there is no leak, there is no crack. Just pour water on top, turn around the camera, take your time, switch positions. You can move the camera to the left and flashlight to the right, and just do your inspection. And you can rotate the camera in different directions. You can take your time, and this is the way to inspect your kayak. I forgot to mention something important. You have to tape the light over the stick. It's not very secure, but we'll do it for sure. If you like my videos, guys, you can subscribe. Hopefully you have no cracks on your kayak. Hopefully everything is fine. This is the way to inspect fishing kayaks, maybe other boats too, or anything else that you can use the action camera. If you like my videos, please subscribe, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.